Here's DoorDash food delivery app. It's one of the biggest food delivery apps out there. So yeah, enjoy 30% off your first 3 orders. 15,000 restaurants nationwide with $1 delivery fee. Get also groceries and everyday essentials. Track your orders in real time. Save time and order ahead for fast pickup. Contactless delivery by default. And then yeah, there you have it. I'm not sure if this app only works in US or it's available in other countries, but then yeah, to create an account, just tap to continue with Apple, and then you'll be able to create your account from here. And then yeah, here you just enter your email, and then okay, so you can see list of countries. So it's also available in Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Germany, Greece, I guess, Romania, and that's so it's like selected countries, and then you just proceed with creating your account.